everybody, welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today we're going to be playing with some slime. I don't know if you can see that well or not, but let me cut this light on. Here we go. We're going to be playing with some slime. I got a desk that's so dirty. I got dirty hands with paint because I've been playing with this right here. And it is a butter slime. I made it my own, but I've been making these little slimes with other slime. I take paint and another slime and mix it together, or either two slimes. But I'm actually going to add some purple to this right now, I think, to give it a little touch. Then I will do a swirl and I will show you guys. Okay? 1 minute. And this is Fairy Twinkle right here. I don't know if you can see it that good, but it looks like that. It's kind of bluish purple indigo color. Come on, slime. So, I'm going to take some and I'm going to lay it down the middle like that. And then go ahead and just flatten it out into it like a pancake. Flip that over on top. And then I'm just going to set you guys up like that a little bit more. And I'm going to go like this, get it nice and the purple won't show up because it's too small. It's too small of the purple, but the reason I don't want to put much purple in it is because I can't remember what I was gonna say, but so it would not, because I really like this purple and I don't want it to be a small slime. It already is a small slime already again, but it used to be like filled to the top and now it's all the way down there, but that's okay. At least I got some of it left. But let me take the rubber band pieces out. Cut up a rubber band piece and put it in my slime, in my Fairy Twinkle, whatever you call it, Fairyland, whatever. But I am going to show you guys how to make the slime out of the paint and the slime. So here we go, guys. I should have made up a video with paint, but this slime is amazing. This yellow, but I can't figure out where I'm going to put it yet, because let me slide over so you guys can see me better. So I'm sitting here. Let me slide over some more, and I'm going to take my it's actually my horse bucket from my stable, my humongous stable, three barns and a big whole arena with a whole bunch of horses. But I'm sure Delani knows about that. But here we go. I'm gonna slide it out here so you guys can see it more. Got you like sit up right on the coffee cup where I hold my pencils. This slime is so amazing. I don't want to put it down at all, but I have to so I can show you guys how to make this slime. Ooh. Whoopsie. The only reason I added some purple is to make it more thin, because it's kind of thick. But anyway, here we go. I got yellow in here, so I'm just going to add some blue to it to make green, but I already have green. 2 types of teal green, but I'm going to get some turquoise. I had to use it with my teeth. Don't worry, guys. Come on, paint, come out. It's just like, this is making silly sounds. Okay, that's good. That's enough for now. It'll probably make a perfect little green color. Yeah, perfect. but I need some more yellow. So I'm going to take some yellow. Perfect time to be making a YouTube video because it's raining. It's raining anyway, so it's the perfect end of the day. It's really the end of the day right now, so it's gonna be like, yeah, but don't worry guys if I bit that thing with my teeth, but I had to, but don't worry because I just lightly just go like that. It comes up, but really, I really don't do that. I don't even do that, but if I really need to, I do, you know, but I don't do it if I don't need to because that's just being bad for your teeth. But this, I got the perfect little green color now. Don't know if you guys can see that in this bright light because this light is absolutely like really bright, so that kind of sorry. Oh, I almost knocked some glass off the off behind the desk. That would have been bad. But where is it? I just don't want to leave this slime. But here we go, making the slime finally. I really like this butter slime, but I'm going to let that set for a minute because it has to set for a minute so it can, you know. Okay, do not get any paint in this because this is the one that I really like. It's so amazing. It's a 5-star. I gave it a 5-star because this is absolutely amazing because it's got pink. It's pink. It's called, I named it, it's a butter slime. I named it Unicorn Butter because it's a butter slime and it looks like a unicorn with the sparkles and the pink. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this slime up. I know it says crackle right there, but I put different slimes in which and such, but it's, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up some more. All right.
They have, but there's got to be a stopping point. There he does. He does.
Like anything like this. I'm being silly, but I don't know why I keep on mixing this. I don't know what slime I should put in here. But I'm so silly. That's why this channel is called Lillian's Adventures.
Yeah.
Duh.
That's right.
But ow! It's wet already. How is it already wet? Oh, from the bottom. But
There you go. Yep.
I like this one too, but it's called Unicorn Sparkle. Bunch of sparkles and unicorns. But I don't know why I put that right back up. I need a little bit of you. There. What is she doing? My mom's over there talking with our friend.
I don't.
Okay. Drop this in here. Nice and great. Perfect colors. Green and pink. Green and pink. It sounds like unicorn throw up. But let me stir this up. Right, there we go. Now it's forming. But if see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the slime sticks to the bottom and it acts just like if you were making a regular glue slime, but you just mix it until the paint gathers up on here. Like this. You guys can see the slime has stuck all over it. Just like a real slime, it sticks to the sides and it just makes a nice little slime. Any color that you want, just you have to have paint or a slime. Paint and a slime. Because you have to have both.
Yeah,
So-
let me know. Yeah, white form for
So,
sure. But
yeah.
about the then you'll let me know if it's something you and Will can watch. I usually don't watch a watch video unless you movie, but if you find out that we both might like it, let me know. Yes, she
Wow,
is.
this is so pretty. It's
Thank
like
you, Diane.
frog sparkle. Frog sparkle. Here we go. Frog sparkle. Sparkle. Another word. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Sparkle, 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 sparkle. Wait a minute, let me do that. Cue the thing.
Gosh.
Do 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 do
Yes.
do. It might be music on this,
Okay.
but in my next video it might be music on it. So yeah. But anyway guys, thank you guys for watching
Okay, I got you. Okay.
today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. See you guys in my next one. Bye. See you guys in my next one. Bye.